new bandwagon now, about time. I ain't even got no downtime. Every time I speak, she say, yeah, that sounds fine. I've been all of the sex in
Going to an emotional sense memory of a time when you begged for forgiveness. I want you to find that real event. What time of the year was it? I want you to look down at your feet. What are you standing on in this event? What are you wearing on your feet? Look at your clothes in this event when you begged for forgiveness. I want you to look to your right. What do you see? I want you to look to your left. What do you see? Any smells associated with this event? The personalization is someone who holds a grudge against you. Who's this person that holds a grudge against you? I want you to look them right in the eyes. The color of their eyes. What is it about this person? What's their strongest physical feature? What is it about this person? One thing about this person you'll never ever forget. Maybe it's the way they smell. Maybe it's just something they said or did. The sensory condition is the most beautiful view you've ever witnessed. The most beautiful view you've ever witnessed. I want you to put that in front of you right now. Where are you? The most beautiful view you've ever witnessed. Okay, so hold on to your breath. If you have not made choices, if you do not know your character's last name, make that choice. Last name says a lot about you. Where'd you grow up? Says a lot about you. Right? What was your childhood like? You know, were your parents divorced? Were they happily married? You know, did they die? I don't know. These are choices. But you know, you make these choices and they're going to feed you, especially if you make big, bold, strong choices. Okay? You want to know who you are. What do you do for a living? What's going on? What's your secret? Where's your pain? Where's your fear? Where's your stuff? You know, all of these choices are going to give you stuff to play. There are no bad choices. The only bad choices are when you don't make any choices. You don't know who you are. You're just saying the words on the page.
When I witness something this beautiful, I don't know what to do.
Look at that. See what is right before us.
Val, can we look at it all in a different way? Can't we have a new understanding?
Things don't have to be this fucked up. It is eating me up inside. Come on.
We can look at this and see it for its beauty. It's real, true beauty. How can we stay mad at each other?
How long does it have to go on? I've suffered greatly by your anger. Greatly.
But I see you and all of your beauty and all of your glory. Can you just find it in your heart to forgive me?
I only want to be with you, baby. Let's just forget.
You came
Yeah.
why?
Who else you got?
Nobody.
Me.
You.
Yep. What's so funny?
I stabbed the bastard.
What?
David the bastard.
You what?
I stabbed him in his thigh with a butcher's knife. He said, "Hey, you gonna put your hands on me? Well, fucker, here you go." Stab. Like that.
Tyra, you didn't.
Stabbed until I hit bone, till I couldn't go any deeper. I didn't run. I didn't fuss. He laughed, and I screamed, and then I walked free from him. End of that relationship, I guess.
Well, yeah.
That's what I call a breakup.
What if he calls the police on you?
He knows better.
What if he hurts you?
He knows better about that, too.
So, okay, this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna go up to this woman, wherever she is. You're gonna look her right in the eye, and you're gonna let your guard down. You're not gonna try to be smooth or cool or anything like that, okay? You're just gonna act from the heart. Take a risk. If you act from the heart, Roy, you can't make a mistake.
Dr. Griswold,
Yes.
I think I'm in love with you.
What?
From the moment I met you, I knew that I was done with strippers and bar girls and motorcycle chicks and the moment you spoke, I was smitten and I've been smitten ever since. And the fact that you know I'm full of crapola just makes you all that more attractive to me. And furthermore, whenever I meet a woman, within 30 seconds, I'm trying to figure out how to get into her pants. But with you, I'm just trying to figure out how to get into your heart.
Roy,
Stunned, huh? All right, so let's go ahead and go out to dinner, and we can talk about us and whether or not we have a future, and you know how we can get rid of that horse's ass boyfriend of yours.
okay, Roy, slow down. Okay, just
Well, hey, I just hit an 8-degree driver off the cart path here. I'm staring an eagle in the face.
this is a terrible mistake.
Well, I acted from the heart, so it can't be a mistake, right?
Wrong, Roy. I mean, shit. I didn't know you were talking about me, Roy. Our relationship is and will always remain strictly professional.
So your answer's no.
Yeah.
You know, I'm going to qualify for the U.S. Open. I'm going to kick your boyfriend's ass.